Hello Teach! In this video, you will learn about multiplication of fractions. Example number 1. 5 times 4 over 7. In this example, you will change 5 into a fraction with a denominator 1. So 5 will become 5 over 1. Then multiply the numerators equals 20, denominators equals 7. And the answer is 2 and 6 over 7. 2 is the quotient and 6 is the remainder. Another example, we have 8 times 5 over 25. Change 8 into a fraction with a denominator 1. Then multiply 8 times 5 equals 40. 1 times 25 equals 25. Change this to mixed. You have 1 and 15 over 25. The fractional part is not yet simplified, so get the GCF of 5. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. You have the final answer, 1 and 3/5. Another example, 4 over 10 times 7. Change this to a fraction. It will become 7 over 1. Multiply 28. 10 times 1 equals 10. Change to mixed. You have 2 and 8 over 10. Or we have this simplified form, 2 and 4/5. Alright, let's have another example. 2 and 2/5 multiplied by 2 ninths. So change this to improper fraction. And then multiply. So 12 times 2 is equal to 24. Then 5 times 9 is equal to 45. Simplify, you have 8 over 15. Another, 4 and 1/3 times 4/5, you have 13 thirds times 4/5. Multiply, 13 times 4 equals 52. 3 times 5 equals 15. Now, change to mixed, you have 3 and 7 over 15. 3 is the quotient when you divide 52 by 15 and 7 is the remainder. Another example, you have here 5/8 times 2 and 2/5. Change 2 and 2/5 to mix and then multiply. Here is another way of multiplying fractions easily. Use cancellation method. So what is the GCF of 5 and 5? Of course, it is 5. So divide by the GCF 5, you have 1. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 12 and 4 shares GCF of 4. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Multiply equals 3. Multiply equals 2. Change to mix. We have 1 and 1/2. More examples? Yes. We have here multiplying mixed numbers. So change the mixed numbers into improper fractions, then apply the rule of multiplying fractions. So 7 times 5 equals 35, 4 times 2 equals 8, and change to a mixed number, you have 4 and 3/8. Again, 4 is the quotient and 3 is the remainder. Another example, we have 5 and 1/3 times 4 and 1/4, 16 thirds times 17 fourths. Now multiply and apply the cancellation method to make it easier. 16 divided by the GCF 4 equals 4. 4 divided by the GCF 4 equals 4. Then multiply because 17 and 3 only shares 1 as the common factor. So begin multiplying the numerators now. 4 times 17 equals 68. 3 times 1 equals 3 for 22 and 2/3. Next, we have 4 and 2/3 times 8 and 2/5. You have here 4 and 2/3 becomes 14 thirds times 42/5. Now apply the cancellation method. 42 and 3 have a GCF of 3. 42 divided by 3 equals 14. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Now multiply. You have here 196. 1 times 5 equals 5. Divide 196 by 5. You have 39 and 1/5. Now, if you have any comments or suggestions, please feel free to type in the comment section, and please let me know if you have more topics for me to do a short video. Thank you and God bless.